detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We made it to this first stop today, man. We out here in Cool Springs, Tennessee, and we over here at Diversicare, man. They usually have a bunch of commercial vehicles. They usually just want details and everything, but I ain't gonna lie, I got here and got an emotion, and I completely forgot to show you what the interior looked like. It really wasn't that bad, but they had a lot of dog hair in here. I mean, it was basically just everywhere. Hold on, let me unlock the door. Here go the keys right here. Unlock the door, but if you look in the interior is nice and detailed. Seats are nice and clean. Back here, nice and clean. So we got the whole car knocked out, man. Right now, we're about to go ahead and wash the exterior, and then we got 2 more stops for the day. And then you know, today Friday, gotta go get those kids. So trying to hurry up, finish this work up. Look like it's supposed to rain. They keep saying it's supposed to be some strong storms coming, but I didn't see anything like that on my phone. But you know how it go, man. Like, first and foremost, man, if you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, comment, share. Turn on all post notifications. That's if you want to. Eventually, we'll all get to that. But until then, if you got a channel you would like me to check out, leave it in the comment, and I'll definitely come check out your channel. I love to check out what people have going on. If you got an IG you want me to check out, leave your IG in the comments. You got a Facebook, a Snapchat, anything you want me to check out, just leave it in the comment, and I'll definitely come on your channel or your page and leave a comment and see what you got going on in your life. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this car, because like I said, I don't know if it's supposed to rain or not. You know, sometimes it's weather be a little fictitious, but on that note, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We done got this first car and the last car today done, because it's about to storm. Look at the back, it is black as ever, but you look over here, it's all nice and clear. But they've been saying it was gonna rain. Other people was telling me, but I didn't see it in my forecast. I'm like, what the hell going on? With the wind have picked up tremendously. But we got this car completely done, interior, exterior, detail. So I'm gonna go ahead and park and get paid, head home, man. You already know how that go. I already showed you what the interior looked like. I'm gonna give you another glimpse so y'all be like, oh, he was really doing his job. Man, it smelled good in there. But y'all, today's a great day. I'm gonna continue to be great. I hope you continue to be great. You know, I'm gonna go home and do some curating. Gotta put my cord up, go ahead, pack home. Probably, my house probably about 25 minutes from here. But I'm gonna stop over there at Best Buy, buy a case for my iPad and a case for my new phone I just bought. I just got a Pixel Pro. And then I'm gonna go stop at Dollar Tree and get some chemicals. But I'm gonna go ahead and park this car, man. And you know how that go, man. First and foremost, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. Like always, man, stay committed, stay committed, stay consistent, stay relentless, stay persistent. I don't know what the hell I'm saying, y'all, but on that note, like always, one love, love thyself. Look in the mirror, say I love you. And on that note, like always, peace.